hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the slime I'm going to be using in this video. And this won't be a stretchy slime, but it's a super fun. And yeah, I'm just going to be kind of molding it. And there is a little gem in here. Let me find it. This is the gem. Super pretty. And I love this slime. It smells super good. This isn't even my slime. Shout out to who am I gonna shout out? So who I'm gonna shout out is my fluffy cat and whatever I forget, but shout out to her because she made this slime and I really appreciate her making this slime. And to go check out her YouTube channel and make sure to subscribe and give a like on hers and my YouTube channel. And super fun. Woo! Time to end the video. So I'm just going to be putting the slimes away. Super fun. I really like this slime. And yeah, it's super fun. And bye!